Understanding the phrase, carry your weight in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. In this session, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, carry your weight. This is a phrase you might hear in everyday conversations, in the workplace, or in various forms of media. Understanding phrases like these can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in. The phrase, carry your weight, might sound a bit physical at first. Literally, it means to carry something that weighs as much as you do. Imagine holding an object that is as heavy as your own body weight. That's quite a challenge, right? But in English, this phrase isn't usually used to talk about lifting physical objects. In a figurative sense, carry your weight means to do your fair share of work. When someone is part of a team, in a workplace, or even in a family setting, there are expectations that everyone contributes equally. If someone is carrying their weight, it means they are fulfilling their responsibilities and doing their part. Let's look at some examples to understand this better. 1. In a team project, everyone in our group needs to carry their weight for the project to be successful. 2. In a household, since we all live here, we should all carry our weight in keeping the house clean. 3. At work, he's a valuable member of our team because he always carries his weight. These examples show how the phrase can be used in different scenarios to indicate contributing or sharing the workload. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. Phrases like, pull your own weight, do your part, or hold up your end of the bargain, are often used interchangeably with carry your weight. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of carry your weight. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about expressions, idioms, and phrases that give it flavor and depth. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and carry your weight in your language journey.